Hey guys, so today we're talking about poppins, and I think popping is the most annoying thing for cubers. For me, it is. And today we're going to discuss what is the most efficient way and best way to put back your popped cube. And and that's it. By the way, guys, on the screen you're seeing I'm popping a Gen 367 cube. So, well, get pop are always a potential issue for Gens cube, especially this one. Oh my god, it just explode. Alright, so the rules are I'm going to try different techniques to put back those popped pieces, and for each technique, I'm gonna do an average of 3. So do 3 times. And we'll finally get what is the most efficient way to put back popped piece. I enjoy my lovely time lapse. So the first technique is layer by layer method. And the results are pretty average, and I think the result is quite good. And I don't actually use this method, but maybe I will use it later. And let's see what other techniques result are. So here we have the cross first technique.
Tell me like a Hellcat.
So this is my favorite technique, and I use this all the time, and surprisingly it's equal to the last technique, so I'm probably gonna stick with this because I just get used to that. So here's a random pick technique. So basically I just put down any piece I got without even looking at it or something.
like a Hellcat.
This method is absolutely horrible. You see, at the last I got a DNF because it's so stressed out. Like, at the 30-second, I still didn't even finish a side or a cross. So, never try this method. I'm gonna make second part of this video since there are only 3 techniques showing up in this part. So wait for seeing that. Thanks for watching.